Welcome back to Viet Flavours. Today we're making a classic Vietnamese comfort food, braised pork belly with quail eggs. This dish is savory, rich, and perfect with a bowl of hot steamed rice. Let's take a look at the ingredients for this dish. First, prepare your ingredients. Boil the quail eggs until fully cooked, then peel and set aside. Separate the white and green parts of the green onions. Finely chop the white part and roughly chop the green part for garnish. Thinly slice the Thai chilies into rounds. Now for the pork belly, cut into 2 finger-sized pieces. Place the pork in a mixing bowl and season it with ½ tablespoon sugar for sweetness, 2 tablespoons fish sauce, 1 teaspoon MSG or chicken bouillon powder, 1 teaspoon ground black pepper, and the chopped white part of the green onions. Mix well and let it marinate for about 20 minutes. Let's start cooking. Heat some oil in a skillet over medium heat. Add the finely chopped garlic and sauté until fragrant. Next, add the marinated pork belly to the skillet. Stir and let the pork cook until lightly browned. If you want a touch of vibrant color, add 1 tablespoon of annatto oil. This is optional, but adds a beautiful hue to the dish. When the pork is just cooked through, gently add the quail eggs and stir to coat them in the sauce. Look at these tiny quail eggs. They're so cute, aren't they? Now, pour in 50 milliliters of coconut milk. This adds a subtle sweetness to balance the savory flavors. Reduce the heat to low and let the dish simmer gently. Stir occasionally and taste the sauce. Adjust the seasoning with a little more fish sauce, sugar, or ground pepper if needed. Let it cook until the sauce thickens slightly and clings to the pork and eggs. When the sauce is thickened perfectly, turn off the heat. Sprinkle with the chopped green onions and Thai chilies for a pop of freshness and color. And here it is, beautiful braised pork belly with quail eggs. Serve it with a bowl of hot steamed rice to enjoy all the rich, savory flavors. Thank you for watching Viet Flavours. If you loved this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious Vietnamese dishes. We'll see you next time. Happy cooking and enjoy your meal.